Right, today we're gonna bring a US General box, and I'm comparing it to my Cobalt. Now, I really like this one. It has the same exact things that this one can do. The same thing, but this one has more advantage. I'm gonna tell you how. Now, this one, when you open it up, look at that. Opens all the way up. It might be good for some people, but then this is gonna start breaking apart. Now, this one has a limitation. Like this one slams. This one has rubber mouth, if you guys can see that. It has little rubber ends here at the top. Perfect. Now, this one has the same capacity as this one. Same drawers, but where this one wins is because it has that rubber end at the bottom, and every single one is included in there. If you guys can see, every single one is included. All 3 layers. This one is as is, all right? You got to make your own or cut your own. That's pretty much it. So if you're looking for a nice little toolbox, same thing, a little bit better, more advantages. Hope you guys enjoy the video.